President Cyril Ramaphosa has told Parliament investigations into the Phala Phala debacles are over and he has been cleared of any wrongdoing. This after Mkondo Wesizo party member Parliament Des Van Rooyen grilled the president about the matter in a National Assembly plenary on Thursday. Ramaphosa's game farm in Bela Bela, Limpopo was burgled on 9 February 2020. Alleged masterminds Inamwela David, Froliana Joseph, and her brother Ndilinasho Joseph David are currently in court accused of stealing $580,000. However, the incident revealed Ramaphosa had not reported the theft of his own money from the sale of his buffalo at the farm. A Section 89 independent panel appointed by Parliament concluded that not only is there prima facie evidence of serious violations of the Prevention and Combating of Corrupt Activities Act and the Constitution, but it also suggested in effect that the president lied. The finding amounted to a recommendation that Ramaphosa face a hearing in Parliament that could lead to his removal if two-thirds of MPs vote against him. Last week, the National Prosecuting Authority declined to prosecute Ramaphosa or anyone else relating to the Phala Phala scandal. The MK's Van Rooyen noted that Ramaphosa has withdrawn his application after he failed to make his case in the Constitutional Court to review the recommendation of Section 89 independent panel report. The MP said the report stated that Ramaphosa had a case to answer that has had to not been addressed by him. Van Rooyen asked if the president intends to deal with the questions raised by the findings and the recommendation of the report in light of his commitment to fight corruption. Ramaphosa answered by reminding Parliament that in December 2022, the National Assembly resolved not to refer to the report to an inquiry. In doing so, the National Assembly was exercising its power and responsibility as outlined in the Constitution and in its rules, he said. As of today, investigation conducted by a wide range of independent law enforcement agencies have been finalized. The South African Revenue Service, the South African Reserve Bank, the Public Protector, and the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigations have all conducted investigations into the matter. None of these bodies have found that there was any wrongdoing on my part. Ramaphosa says, as per his obligation constitutionally and legally, he cooperated with each of these institutions. I answered their questions, provided them with information they required, and where requested, made myself available for interviews. He said the Concord's decision to dismiss his application for direct access to the court to review the panel's report was not a determination on the substance of my application. It should be noted that the Constitutional Court will hear arguments on November the 26th, 2024, and whether or not his House, in resolving as it did on 13th December 2022, failed to fulfill its obligation under the Constitution. I have full faith that the court will decide the issue before it in a comprehensive and final manner, he said. Ramaphosa added that the government of national unity holds the fight against corruption as a priority target. In the MK's follow-up question, disgraced judge and now MP John Tlhophe said the heads of all the agencies that investigated Phala Phala were appointed by the president, yet they declared him of wrongdoing despite the panel's report. Van Rooyen asked if when the money that was stolen was in United States currency, the president would finally admit his transactions were illegitimate. You cannot conduct a business while serving as a president of the country, and also, was the person who cleared you at NPA vetted? He asked. Ramaphosa said the matter was dealt with by the National Assembly and that decision is now subject to legislation in the Concord. We should allow that process to unfold. It should be a matter dealt with by that court. As far as the variety of other questions Slope had asked, these had been answered by a number of institutions already. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out.